Hi there, I'm Eric Abrahamson, founder and CEO of digital Fineprint. And today I'm going to present to you how we're providing a 360 view of small business needs related to risk that we use with commercial insurers. The reason we're focusing on this space is that entrepreneurship is hard. All of us in this audience are excited about innovation and new companies, but actually we know it's tough. Only 1 in 10 companies survive for 1 decade, so the odds are tough. What might surprise you though is that 1 in 2 companies would go into bankruptcy if they had a $50,000 damage towards their P&L. And of course, being in a risky business, this could happen to a lot of companies, so they need to have the right insurance protection. They need the right protection for data breaches, theft from the offices, product failures. There is a 360 view on risk that needs to be generated, and unfortunately, insurance companies are often unable to get the data. That's why we are here. We build data analytic solutions in the form of what we call the DFP Risk Atlas that we give to insurance companies and brokers that are partnering with us so that they can see a 360 view of their customers' risks. I'll go through them in a bit of detail. With Find, you can see new customers, so which specific companies need what protection. You can convert, making sure that they become your insurance customer, and engage with them in deeper conversation. I'll give an example of this in 1 second. But all this is not just in a snapshot view, you can also renew, so see the data in real-time basis, and that's a very exciting way to see what's changing in your book of business. By doing that, we are combining open data and internal data sources from the insurers and brokers they're working with, providing that 360 view that insurers needs. So to give you an overview on how this works in practice, I'm going to switch to a quick demo. And the way we've been chosen to do this is to look up the name of a company based here in Singapore on our Engage platform. So by entering the name of the company, this one is called Supreme HR, you're able to look up exactly what type of data is relevant for them. We're able to see where they are based, and we're able to see exactly what they would need. So the way it works is that you search for Supreme, and they're showing up here. I've actually been searching for them. And it then goes out to gather all of the data in real time. So now we've analyzed all the social media data and the text on the website in just a second. So here we can see where they have an office, the fact that they have contents, computer equipment, furniture. We read their website to figure out that they are gathering personal data on their website, therefore they need cyber insurance. It's extremely important. We can also see that there are laptops, tablets within the office, and therefore portable equipment insurance is very important to get. So this 360 view is possible because we go out and gather all data for insurance companies and brokers so that they can see their entire risks facing this company. This has been very successful in Europe, and in the past couple of months we've worked with KPMG on 3 main initiatives to make our product even better. We found new data sources, so new local government data. We've adapted our APIs to the local websites, but also made sure that we have the right data transfer agreements in place. We've received really useful input from the Monetary Authority of Singapore to make sure we're compliant here in Southeast Asia so that we can scale. We've also localized our language. We have multilingual dashboards to make sure that we can scale across the region as we have successfully in Europe and the UK. These are some of the companies we're working with in the UK, continental Europe, and now expanding across Southeast Asia. We've only been around for 2 years. We've already closed some amazing partnerships and also recently partnered with Salesforce so that our customers can receive our analytics and insights directly in the Salesforce platform. Our team is based in London, but we're now hiring across the region as well. We won prizes like Best FinTech in the UK, Best InsurTech in Asia, and we're also one of the 50 fastest growing companies in the world. So we wouldn't be doing our job if we weren't expanding to Asia, and we're so happy to do it right here with KPMG as our partner. Right now we're looking for 3 main things: new industry partners, so underwriters, reinsurers, brokers, insurers themselves who want to use our technology to improve their business. But we also need help from e-trading firms, systems integrators, consulting firms, so if you're in that space, do come and talk to me. And finally, next year we want to do another funding round. We received $3 million USD from our existing investors, EOS Ventures and FinTech Ventures, and now we have so much momentum in the business and tripled revenue last year so that we're going to expand even more. That's all I had to share with you today. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll now take any questions.